Hey friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So today I'm going to show you a greeting card project share, and I'm also going to let you all know of a special sale that Spellbinders is holding. First, I want to introduce you to the A2 size Radiant Navette die sets from the classically Becca collection by Becca for Spellbinders. And that die set looks just like this. It's so pretty. Look how pretty. Like I said, it is made for an A2 size card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And this is what I made with it. So I decided to make a easel card using old papers from my stash and some ephemera or die cut pieces from my stash, and also a banner from Spellbinders. I decided to use bows and flat back pearls from my stash. But these are super easy, super simple to make. And for those of you who are brand spanking new to card making, who would like to see a tutorial on how to make a simple, basic easel card, I will go ahead and link you to one of my tutorials in the description area below. Look at it, it's so pretty. I've been making a lot of Valentine's Day cards, and my intention was to make a Valentine's Day card when I started with this, but then I said, you know what, I think I want to make it more of like an all-purpose type of card. And so even though a couple of the die cut ephemera are from Christmas collections from my stash, just by adding other elements to it, it does not necessarily, scream out Christmas. You know, it could be like anything goes type of card. And so that is exactly what I wanted to do here, kind of like an anything goes greeting card for a friend, just something to say hello. And I think I was able to accomplish that. Now, the other thing that I wanted to share with you here, let me go ahead and put the die set right along here so you could see everything that you get. Well, I guess let me go ahead and go over it. First thing that you get is, of course, you're going to get your base plate. And the way I did this right here, I went ahead and cut the base plate with a white cardstock, as you can see. And this time I used very thick, extra thick cardstock. I didn't have any watercolor paper to use at this time, so I went for the extra thick cardstock. And so after I cut my base piece, I decided to go ahead and add these, they go like this, these two pieces onto the die cut part. So make believe this is my cardstock. I went ahead and added this and this to the cardstock, and I ran it through the machine again. You know, you don't have to do it like that. You could just go ahead and put some washi tape along here and make it a one pass. But I didn't know that that's what I wanted to do at the time. Now, the second thing that I did was I went ahead and I did this on, I ran this with this polka dot. I don't know if you could tell. This is a very soft pastel polka dot paper. As a matter of fact, I have that in my latest Valentine's Day collection. I have this very same paper on it. This is one of my papers that I used. And so if you like, I'll go ahead and link you to that collection as well. And after I passed this through, then I went ahead and I used washi tape to place these two together, and using the extra thick white cardstock, I went ahead and die cut this piece here, and this remained plain. And since I knew that I was going to add some things here, I didn't do anything for the label, but you also get a small label right along there. So you do get several pieces, a lot of bang for your buck. This is from an old DCWV collection. And what I did here for you newbies, I went ahead and I used some foam circles to pop that up when it closes, it's going to close like this, but obviously not all the way. And then it's going to go like so. And I made it pretty dimensional. As you can see, I used the foam circles to make a dimension after dimension, because I do enjoy making dimensional cards. Okay, so that's for that not pop-up, but easel card. For the other cards that I want to share with you is the sale that Spellbinders has. They have added some new items from their past club kits on sale, which are perfect for Valentine's Day. I don't know if you recall when I showed you my project with this beautiful Valentine's Day, or you can do it for Mother's Day or any type of gift card, or I even did a box with it, I remember. And this has gone down in price, so you might want to check it out, and I'll go ahead and link you to it. And here is another one from the January 2020 collection. This was from the January 2021 collection. This is January 2020, and so this has also been marked down. And here is another one from January 2020, in which you get this and these other dies. It's a beautiful die set, and I will go ahead and link you to my videos that are showing these projects in the description area below. So yeah, go ahead and check out Spellbinders' new Becca Fika collection for Spellbinders, and check out their new past club kit dies that they have marked down, which are perfect for this time of year. Thank you so very much for watching, and I hope to see you once again real soon.